In this video, I'll show you how to use Camtasia Audiate to automatically transcribe audio or video files into transcripts. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, Camtasia Audiate is a product of TechSmith, and you can use it hand in hand with Camtasia as of November 2025. You can now, for more or less the low tier plans, you can now use Camtasia Audiate in conjunction with Camtasia. Now, you can edit videos by editing text, which is really awesome. But in this video, we are going to use it as a standalone because you can also use it as standalone. It's really awesome to do that. I'm going to open it up, Camtasia Audiate. And then once it opens up, this is more or less the interface that you get. Pretty simple, nothing complicated. Now, you can generate a script, audio, or avatar. If you have more or less the high tier plans and all that, you can start a recording, you can import a file. And what we're going to do in this video, we're going to import a file. Click on that. And I'll select a short file right here, click on it, and then click on open. Once I click on open, I'm going to get this dialog box. That is the import dialog box. Import as one scene. And you can also import a smart scenes, which automatically divides your project into smaller scenes by topics. So this is a good one if you're on the higher tiers. So let's go with import as one scene and then click on import. It's going to transcribe audio, English US, 1 minute remaining. Now, this is automatic by default, but you can also turn it off if you don't want the audio to begin automatically transcribing once you upload it on Camtasia Audiate. So let's give it like a minute and then it's going to be done. So there we have it. Our video has been automatically transcribed and you can now play it, and you'll see it as a video up here, which is really good to have that right there. But there are a couple of options here to show hide the scene bar. The scene bar is right here. You can also decide to see the waveform, which more or less would be really good, especially if you're going for fine editing, because you can actually edit this particular script or video by editing this particular transcript right here. If I play this. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the script's eye contact feature to simulate eye contact with the camera even when you're reading from a script. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. So it's done a really good job. I'd actually just say everything is okay as it is right there. So we can close that waveform, but selecting a section here, you can have a couple of options: to silence selection, to enter script mode, and then we've got show hide waveform for this particular section for finite detail. So if I click on this and let's say I wanted to add like a dash right in between there we have it. I'm in script editing mode. Let's say I'm done scripting, click on done. Now that is done. The transcription is done. Now it's time to export our transcript. I can just go to file, export, script, click on that. And then we have two options: save as type, text file, and then you can name it whatever. I wish there's a way to kinda pick from this name, but I do believe it's because it's unsaved. Let's actually save it. Let's save this. And then let's go to file, export, script. No, still the same thing. Let's say text file, clip 3. I wish there was a way to kind of just pick up the name. Click on save. And also I wish there was a way to kind of change the format, so like from just a TXT to Word to PDF etc, depending on what we see fits. Clip 3. Let's just add some dashes, click on save. So script exported. That's done and you're ready to go. Now the good thing with this one is that you can also export to Camtasia, which is really handy, especially if you're working on a project inside Camtasia. You can use this right there. Now If you'd like to deactivate the transcribe once you've uploaded, you can come to settings, transcription language, and then click on transcribe audio on import. If you click on that, go back to settings and look at it again, it's deactivated. And at the time of recording this video, it supports English, US, UK, Australian, Spanish, Castilla, Argentinian, Chilean, Colombian, Mexican, Peruvian, Brazilian, Portuguese, Dutch, French, German, Italian. So that's what's supported at the moment, more or less with good accuracy, I do believe, because what's behind this is obviously AI. But that's it for this video, and that is how you can automatically transcribe audio or video files using Camtasia Audiate. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.